show me one place in the Bible where Jesus said, no, I am not God. Show me one place in the Bible where Jesus said, no, I am not God.
He asked me a question. Where in the Bible that Jesus denies that he is not God? Let me ask him a question. If I give you a verse of that, will you become a Muslim today? Yes. Open your Bibles. The book of Luke 18 verse 18. Jesus denies automatically he is not God. One of the men and the disciples came unto Jesus and said, good teacher, what shall I do so that I enter paradise? Jesus denies automatically and says, don't call me good. There is one who is good, and that is God. True. Luke 18:18. Thank you very much. We come again to Jesus. Look, our brother said, I am trying to put our God in the box. It's not me, it's you, the Christians, the rationalist interpreters of the Holy Bible, are trying to put this God into a box. Why? Let's ask the Bible. From the book of Romans 1 verse 22, it says like this. Romans 1:22, it says like so. People have come, I think like them, and they have come to destroy the name of God. They have put God into an image of a corruptible man. It's not me. Can you read that verse? Not me. Romans 1:22. Start from 1:21. Listen to that verse. And you read as in the classroom, eh? Don't read as you are in the newspaper room there.
Romans
1 verse 21. Listen to that slowly, slowly. Read. Bring. It says like this. 21. Because although they knew God, they did not glorify him as God, nor were thankful for all what he did to them, but became fertile. Who became fertile? You. In their thoughts. So, they know God. They want to worship God, but they have fertile things in their thoughts. What is that thinking they have that is fertile, is bad? Is this. And their foolish hearts were darkened. Why? They are told God can never be man. They don't want to understand. Professing to be wise, they say they are wise, but they became fools. Why did they become fools? Not me, it's the Bible. And changed the glory of the incorruptible God. And they changed the glory of the incorruptible God into an image made like corruptible man. So why should you change the glory of God into an incorruptible man? Good spirit, Jesus says. And who should worship him? Should worship him in spirit and truth. So God says in the Holy Quran, chapter 21, verse 23. He says like so. 22. If there were two gods, can there be two presidents in Uganda? if there are two presidents in Uganda, what will happen? If there are two presidents in the US, what will happen, my dear brother? So if Jesus is God, and we have God the Creator, because Jesus said he did not create. Open your Bibles. The book of Matthew 19 verse 4.